Hi guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another Threads box for you. This is by Zavvi and it is a subscription box for $9.99 a month where you get an exclusively designed t-shirt as well as a graphic novel or comic book. So this month I got another Star Trek novel. They've been sending me a lot of the Star Trek novels. These are actually fun though. And then this awesome shirt that is from The Shining, if you didn't recognize the carpet pattern there. Isn't this fun? I love it. I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, that's the best thing ever. Because it's so subtle, but it's so awesome. And it's like the perfect time of year, right? For the scariest movie ever. Well, that I've seen anyway. I don't like scary movies, and The Shining is terrifying. And I also got this, which is a World of Warcraft cookbook. When I first pulled this out, my husband was like, is it just gonna be all like how to cook people? No, it is not. It has legit recipes in here. I haven't made any of them yet, but I would like to. They've done a really good job with this, with the artwork, and then you've got some, you know, like pretzels and beer stuff and matzo balls and cinnamon buns and stuffed mushrooms, and so some really good stuff in here. Yeah, conjured mana buns. They're like sticky buns. Oh, a bloodberry tart, lukewarm yak roast broth. And it just has little tidbits from the game in here that I just think are so cute. I mean, they did a really good job with this. This is adorable. I say adorable, but what I mean is super awesome. Anyway, I thought that this was a really fun addition to the box this month. So I will leave all of the information in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!